Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund a JetBlue Airways plane tickets in 2024. Whether your plans have changed or you just need to cancel your flight, understanding how to get a refund from JetBlue Airways is very essential and crucial. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for JetBlue Airways plane tickets. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you, you can use this if you want. And before, of course, requesting a refund, it's crucial to understand JetBlue Airways refund policy. JetBlue offers some different options for refund eligibility based on the ticket type, fare rules, and the reason for cancellation. So we'll have to visit their website to check eligibility first. So you can go to the URL section once you open your browser, type JetBlue, of course, then refund like policy, hit the enter button, and make sure to click on the first link. And of course, after that, just delete that to go to their home screen website. So first of all, if you book your tickets using your account, maybe you have an account already, all you need to do, just go click on your account, sign in into it, as an example. So yeah, sign in into your account, as simple as that. And you can go to your trips or reservation, click on cancel your flight, and then you can request a refund. But if you're like 100% sure that you're eligible for like refund, so we don't like waste your time. Of course, you can click on join now if you don't have an account. For example, if you're just booking your flights, make sure to book your flights while you have an account. It's very, very helpful. Other than that, of course, if you book your flights, as example, as a guest, if we go here to manage trips, as example, you can simply enter your last name and a confirmation code or ticket code, then click on continue. Then you will find your ticket, even if you book it as a guest. From there, you'll be able to cancel it and refund it, of course, after it's canceled. As again, that's if you are very, very sure that your ticket is eligible for refund policy. Make sure to go and do it by your own after that. Now, for people that don't know if they can get refund or not, as you can see, we can go through their policy to check that out first. So refunds. Travel plans can change at moment's notice. If you're no longer traveling and need to cancel a reservation, your options and refund eligibility will depend on your ticket type. So you have a lot of things here to check. First of all, how to get a refund. To get a refund, basically, as we said, we'll have to go and click on manage trips. If you don't have an account, if you have an account, if you go just to your account and click on trips, you'll find your trip right there. You don't even have to click on manage trips and enter your information to find it, because you'll find it on your reservation or trips on your account. But basically, you'll need to go and click on manage trips, select the trip that you wish to have refunded. Basically, you'll have to enter their information to find it. Then select cancel to start the refund process. You'll have to cancel it, then you'll have to start the refund process. And you'll have to follow the steps to complete the cancellation trip. Simple as that. You basically fill up a form. You can do it alone because just they'll require from you some informations. You'll have to enter those informations, make sure to be accurate, and you should be good to go. Please note that the only way to receive a refund is to cancel your trip. You'll not be able, of course, to receive a refund if you didn't cancel it. Maybe you get a refund and travel. That's not going to happen. And of course, if JetBlue impacted your trip, you may cancel the impacted flight and receive a refund. Most often, the refund will be given via travel credits. Not always, but just most often. Seats, bags, and extras will be refunded to original form of payments. And you can read below to see which type of transactions qualify for a refund to be returned to the original form of payment. For the refund time, as an example, so if you have the JetBlue travel credit, time frame will be immediate and the note credited to travel bank. For the TrueBlue points refund, as example, will be immediate and refunded to the same account, TrueBlue account. If you pay with a credit card refund, they will refund from you from 7 to 10 business days and refund it to original form of payment, which is going to be your credit card, maybe even PayPal or something like that. Partner flights originally ticketed with JetBlue, immediate in some cases. And credits remains in the original tickets, contact us for assistance. JetBlue flight originally tickets with the partner airline up to the booking source, the time frame, and you'll be able to contact the booking source, of course. For extras, seats, etc., you'll be refunded within 7 to 10 days and refunded to original form of payments. PayPal, Stripe, maybe your credit card, whatever it is. What if I have not received my refund in my travel bank account, as example? If you cannot find any credits there, of course, you can check the reservation for primary traveler in the original reservation. Also, log out from your travel bank, travel blue account, and back in. And if you still not receive explicit refund, make sure to contact them for additional assistance, as example. And be aware of some fees, such as tourism taxes, are non-refundable in most cases. And all travel credits are subject to their original expiration dates. If you booked using travel credits or and cancel, as example, the tickets, any credits that has already expired will not be returned to your travel bank account. So you can learn more about the JetBlue travel credits also. So here you find the refundable fare policy. So for JetBlue refundable fares, cancellation are permitted at any time or any time prior to the scheduled departure for a full refund to original form of payments. Refundable fares may not be available on all flights if an eligible refund reservation is not changed or cancelled prior to the scheduled departure. All money associated with the reservation will be in the form of JetBlue travel credit, valid for 12 months from originally ticketing, of course, the dates, and may be applied to our future travel. For partially used reservation, if you wish to cancel any remaining travel after a portion of your refundable trip has been taken, your refund amount will equal the one-way fare for the portion of the trip canceled. This also applies if a portion of your travel is not operated as scheduled by JetBlue. No show or missed flight. So, refundable fares must be changed or canceled prior to the scheduled departure time in order to receive like a refund to the original form of payment. If a flight is missed, the money associated with the reservation will be in the form of JetBlue travel credits valid from 12 months from original ticketing dates and may be applied towards future travels. So, yeah, for non-refundable, as example, fare policy, you can see like what to do, and no show or missed flight. As you can see, here's what to do basically. And of course, for cancellation within 24 hours, so if you take a ticket within 24 hours, you can cancel it even if you're going with the economy, and you will get a full refund. As simple as that, as you can see. But the entire, as you can see, booking must be cancelled to qualify. Not applicable for JetBlue vacation reservation. And yeah, you can change this, of course, also if you want to, for delays, for cancellations, schedule change, and etc. For your frequently asked questions, if you have one of those questions, I'll just open the answers here. You can simply just pause the video to read it by your own if you have one of those questions, as example. And yeah, so I guess that's gonna be it. So additional info is last, and yeah, so that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.